Unleash your inner strength with dumbbells. Ready to build muscle and strength without leaving your home? You've come to the right place. With this 6-day dumbbell workout plan, you'll transform your body and boost your fitness. This plan is designed for all levels, whether you're a beginner or more experienced. We'll guide you through each exercise, set and rep. Get ready to feel the burn and see amazing results. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to this plan, challenge yourself, and watch your strength and confidence soar. Let's get started. The 6-day split. Your roadmap to a stronger you. This workout plan follows a 6-day split, targeting different muscle groups each day. This allows for optimal muscle recovery and growth. Day 1, chest. Day 2, back. Day 3, legs. Day 4, shoulders. Day 5, arms. Day 6, rest. Rest is just as crucial as working out. It allows your muscles to repair and rebuild, leading to better results. Listen to your body and take an extra rest day if needed. This split ensures that you work all your major muscle groups effectively throughout the week. Get ready to see incredible changes in your physique and strength. Day 1, chest. Power up your upper body. Today is chest day. Get ready to feel the pump and build a powerful chest. Warm up for 5 minutes with arm circles both forward and backward and jumping jacks. For the workout, start with the dumbbell bench press. 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Lie on a bench, feet flat on the floor. Lower the dumbbells to your chest, then push them back up. Next, the dumbbell incline press. 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Same as the bench press, but with the bench at an incline. Then the dumbbell decline press. 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Same as the bench press, but with the bench at a decline. Finally, dumbbell flies, 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Lie on a bench, arms slightly bent. Lower the dumbbells out to the sides, then bring them back together. Cool down for 5 minutes with chest stretches, holding each stretch for 30 seconds. Remember to focus on proper form and control throughout each exercise. Feel the chest muscles working. Day 2, back. Build a foundation of strength. Today we're building a strong back. A strong back is essential for good posture and overall strength. Warm up for 5 minutes with cat-cow stretches and bird-dog stretches. For the workout, start with dumbbell rows. 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps per side. Bend over, keeping your back straight. Pull the dumbbell up to your chest, then lower it back down. Next, dumbbell pullovers. 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Lie on a bench with your upper back supported. Lower the dumbbell behind your head, then pull it back up. Then, dumbbell deadlifts. 3 sets of 5 to 8 reps. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, dumbbells in front of you. Lower the dumbbells down your legs, keeping your back straight. Stand back up. Cool down for 5 minutes with back stretches, holding each stretch for 30 seconds. Keep your core engaged throughout the workout to protect your lower back. Focus on squeezing your back muscles with each rep. Section 5, Day 3, legs. Unleash your lower body power. Leg day. Get ready to build powerful legs and glutes. Warm up for 5 minutes with leg swings, forward, backward, and side to side. Then, move on to bodyweight squats. Now for the workout. Start with dumbbell squats. 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, dumbbells at your sides. Squat down, keeping your back straight. Then, stand back up. Next, dumbbell lunges. 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps per leg. Step forward with one leg, lowering your body until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Push back up to the starting position. Finally, dumbbell calf raises. 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, dumbbells at your sides. Rise up onto your toes, then lower back down. For the cool down, spend 5 minutes doing leg stretches. Hold each stretch for 30 seconds. Proper form is crucial for leg exercises. Focus on keeping your back straight and your core engaged. Section 6, Day 4, shoulders. Sculpt strong and defined shoulders. Today we're sculpting strong and defined shoulders. Warm up for 5 minutes. Begin with arm circles, both forward and backward, then move on to shoulder blade squeezes. For the workout, first, the dumbbell shoulder press. Do 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Sit on a bench with your back straight. Press the dumbbells up above your head, then lower them back down. Next, dumbbell lateral raises. Perform 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Stand with your arms at your sides, dumbbells in each hand. Raise your arms out to the sides, keeping a slight bend in your elbows until your elbows are about chest height. Lower the dumbbells back down, then dumbbell front raises. Again, 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. This time, raise your arms forward instead of to the sides. Finally, dumbbell shrugs. Complete 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Stand with your arms at your sides, dumbbells in each hand. Shrug your shoulders up towards your ears, then lower them back down. For the cool down, shoulder stretches. Hold each stretch for 30 seconds. Focus on controlling the weight and maintaining proper form throughout each exercise. Section 7. Day 5, arms, chisel your biceps and triceps. It's arm day. Get ready to chisel your biceps and triceps. Warm up for 5 minutes. Start with arm circles, both forward and backward. Then do wrist curls. For the workout, first, dumbbell bicep curls. Do 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Stand with your arms at your sides, dumbbells in each hand. Curl the dumbbells up towards your shoulders, keeping your elbows stationary. Lower the dumbbells back down. Next, dumbbell hammer curls. Perform 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps, same as bicep curls, but with your palms facing each other. Then, dumbbell tricep extensions. Do 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Sit on a bench with your back straight. Extend the dumbbells up above your head, then lower them back down behind your head. Finally, dumbbell tricep kickbacks. Complete 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps per arm. Bend over at the waist, keeping your back straight. Extend your arm back, keeping your upper arm stationary. For the cool-down arm stretches, hold each stretch for 30 seconds. Focus on squeezing the muscle at the top of each rep. Control the weight, and maintain proper form. Section 8. Day 6. Rest and recovery. Recharge your batteries. Today is a well-deserved rest day. Rest is crucial for muscle growth and recovery. Use this day to relax, stretch, and let your body recharge. You can go for a light walk or do some gentle yoga to improve blood flow and reduce muscle soreness. Listen to your body and take an extra rest day if needed. Adequate rest will help you come back stronger for your next workout. Section 9. Conclusion. Your fitness journey starts today. Congratulations. You now have a comprehensive 6-day dumbbell home workout plan to build muscle and strength. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to the plan, challenge yourself, and watch your body transform. Celebrate your progress and enjoy the journey. Start today and unleash your inner strength. You've got this.